In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily insert your signature into a Word document. First, open your document and go to the Insert tab. Click on Pictures and choose this device to upload your signature image. Once the image appears in your document, move it to the position where you want it to be. If there's extra space around your signature, click on the image, go to the Picture Format tab and select Crop. Adjust the edges to remove any unnecessary areas. Then click anywhere on the document to apply the changes. To clean up the signature further, you can remove the background. Click on the image, then go to the Picture Format tab and select Remove Background. If parts of your signature disappear, use the Mark Areas to Keep option to restore them. If you want to add a signature line for a more professional look, go back to the Insert tab and select Signature Line. A setup box will appear where you can enter details like your name, position, and email. Check the boxes if needed, then click OK, and the signature line will be added to your document. Now, to position your signature correctly, click on the image, go to Layout options and choose In Front of Text. This allows you to drag and align your signature perfectly above the signature line. And that's it. Your signature is now neatly placed in your document, looking professional and ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more easy Microsoft Office tips.